Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing this Gillette Mach3 replacement cartridges. So there's 15 replacement cartridges in here. This is for the shaver I use to shave myself. It looks like one cartridge is 1 month of shaves. And here's what the package looks like. They got a lubrication strip up top. And yeah, been using these for a while, so let me show you all what it looks like. You need scissors to open these, so just prepared. Kind of a pain to cut through this. All right. So they're efficient with their packaging. That's great. And here you go. Got 3 of these with 5 each, compatible with your Gillette handle. And that's what it looks like. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you like and subscribe, and talk to you next time. Later.